Welcome to my video Understanding Private Label Rights Products, Making Money Online. This is a Resell Rights Vault video. In the description below this video, I have a link for you to get over 1,000 digital products that you can sell as your own and keep 100% of the profit. Also hit the Show More button below to get free training on how to create a six-figure income online. There's a lot of buzz around PLR or private label rights. Private label rights include reports, articles, ebooks, scripts, or software that another person has written and then offers resell options to the persons who purchase the products. With private label rights you can use the product as is, or you can make as many changes as you like and then claim ownership of it. You can resell the products, or you can give it away. Purchasing PLR products can be very profitable. However, it's important to remember that there could be thousands upon thousands of others using the same material. There are many sites offering private label rights material, but keep in mind that not all offer quality material. There are some terms you should be familiar with if you are going to using private label rights material. You may add, edit or remove content. Can be packaged with products for sale. Can be offered as a bonus for products sold. Includes graphics. Can be added to paid membership sites. Can be given away. Can sell private label rights. Once you locate a PLR site that offers quality material, you can do a number of things with the material based on the degree of rights that are transferred to you. Make money on private label rights products. You can start your very own internet marketing business using PLR products. When it comes to ebooks, reports, or articles, you can divide the material to create your very own e-courses. You can create an ebook by combining a number of articles, or you can take an ebook and turn it into a number of articles. Text items are a great viral marketing tool. They can be used to build traffic to your site, and they are excellent for back-end sales. Graphic files can be a little more intimidating unless you understand software such as Photoshop. Then you won't have any problems. If you are working with source code, you will have to have the necessary knowledge to be able to make modifications. You can always hire an experienced third party to undertake this project for you. You'll get your money back when you resell the software. You can build a business using one or many private label products. With so many PLR choices, you can find the right mix for your business, and remember, all products are branded with your business or personal name. Mix and match as you like. There are just so many possibilities. This might be the business opportunity you've been looking for. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please take a moment and leave a comment. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Hit the bell to be notified. Be sure to watch my other videos. Click on the link in the description below to get over 1,000 digital products, all with master resell rights. Also hit the Show More button below to get free training on how to create a six-figure income online.